So hello guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video I am going to launch these two ebooks, and these ebooks are related to the Cognizant interview. The first ebook is related to Gen Z role and the second ebook is related to Gen Z next role. So these ebooks are designed as a preparation oriented approach so that everyone can go through with these ebooks and they will surely get selected. So as you already know, I previously provided PDFs for the Wipro online assessment, SER assessment and recent technical interview questions PDFs. So many people who studied from those PDFs, they are benefited greatly. Some even got the exact same questions in their assessments. Like I have shared a PDF related to the SVR assessment. So everyone in the SVR assessment getting the exactly same questions that I provided in the PDF. And also I shared a PDF related to the technical interview in which I compiled 50 plus interview experiences of the Wipro, and there are many people those who go through with that PDF. That PDF really helped them because they boost up their confidence because they know the type of questions being asked in the interview. That's why today I am launching these two ebooks for Cognizant, one for the Gen Z role and the another for the Gen Z next role. And don't skip any part of this video because in the middle I will explain how you can access these ebooks for free. So first I will tell you what are the features of these ebooks. So the first feature is these ebooks have 700 plus most important interview questions. These questions are organized as a subject wise for easy reference. And the second feature is I have also compiled recent interview questions that are being asked by the interviewers in the recent interviews. It helps you understand the latest trends in interview questions and giving you an edge in your preparation and boosting your confidence. And the third is organized index. It allows you to jump directly to any section by clicking on it, making navigation smooth and efficient. For example, if you want to go to Java questions, so in the index page you simply have to click on the Java and it will jump over to you the Java questions. And the fourth is subject weightage bar graph, and I have also added a bar graph that helps you prioritize which subjects to focus on more, and making your learning process easier, what to prepare and how much you have to prepare for that subject. So now I will discuss about how you can access these ebooks. So first of all, you have to subscribe my YouTube channel, and secondly you have to send a screenshot that you have subscribed to my YouTube channel in my Telegram group. And the Telegram group link is given in the description. You can easily click on the link and you will automatically join to my Telegram group. There you will have to send the screenshot, and then I will send you the PDF that you want. If you want Gen Z, then I will send you Gen Z, and if you want both, and then I will share both with you. And these ebooks are incredibly help you in the interview process. You can check the feedback on the previous Wipro PDFs to see how much they have helped others. So make sure you like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you guys.